Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. What is an Advent Christmas crochet along? An Advent Christmas crochet along is where I plan a project, a crochet project. I break it down into 24 smaller clues and we work on a little bit each day, probably no more than 15 minutes a day. Probably it might be slightly more, it might be slightly less depending on the clue for that day. And we work on each clue days 1 through 24, and 24 will be the last clue, and you'll have your completed project that day. So I hope that you would join us. Stay tuned for what you'll need for this project. Hi, I'm so excited to share what you need for this year's Advent Crochet Along. I hope that you enjoy this. I have so much fun putting these together, and I spend a lot of time making sure that all the clues are right. But this year, you do not need stuffing. I think last year I went through the whole list of everything you needed and then I forgot stuffing, and you did need stuffing last year. This year, you do not need stuffing. I'm going to recommend that all of the yarn is cotton. That's my recommendation. You can do it with acrylic and it will be no problem. I'm actually making it with acrylic because I made a promise to myself this year that I have all of this yarn, plus I have a whole shelving unit over here to the side that is filled with yarn. And I promised myself that I was going to try to go the whole year without purchasing yarn unless I started a project with something I already had and I needed a little bit more of it to finish it. So far I've been able to, right now I'm filming this in June because I like to pre-record all of these since the fall and Christmas season are so busy. But right now, so far as of now, I've been able to keep that. The only time I have purchased yarn is when I was working on a sweater and I needed some more of what I already had. And the one other exception was I went to a Joann's closing sale and I did purchase yarn very inexpensively there. So that I did break the rule. But I don't, anyway, the whole, long story short, which it isn't short, but I'm making it in acrylic because I don't have enough cotton yarn to be able to make this project. And I would say you would need more of a medium weight cotton, not one of those really thin ones. You'll want a medium weight. So I made a prototype, and so this could give you an idea. This will be the main color. You can do off-white, you could do beige, you could do just gray, or white. Just choose a lighter color for your main color, and you are going to need quite a bit of this. This was completely unused when I made my prototype. It's Crafter's Secret Big Idea. This I got from Hobby Lobby, and it is 810 yards, 16 ounces. And I think this is just white, but again, you don't have to get the same color. You can use, yeah, this is just called white. You can just use a lighter color for that. And this was unused when I started the prototype, and I used probably about half of it. So you're going to need quite a bit of the main color. My guess would be probably, just to be on the safe side, go for 500 to 600 yards of your main color. And then you will definitely need black. This will be more than enough. I don't have this measured out, but I would probably guess, I don't know, 150 yards. I'm not really good at measuring that kind of stuff, but you don't need a huge thing, but you need more than just like a teeny tiny bit. So this will be more than enough. And then you'll need 2 Christmas colors, whatever Christmas colors mean to you. And so I'm just going to do green and red, and these will be more than enough for what I need for that. And then the other things you'll definitely need a stitch marker to hold your place, because we're just going to be doing short clues, one short clue each day for 25 days or 24 days. On the 24th day, you'll have your last clue, and then you'll have your project. So the stitch marker to hold your stitch, scissors, and a crochet hook, of course. I'm going to use an I 5.5 millimeter. Gauging is not super important for this project. So if you wanted to go with a slightly bigger or slightly smaller crochet hook, that works. It's not going to make it's not going to make or break the project if you don't do exactly. But I am using 5.5 I, and so that's what I would recommend. So I'm excited to get all of this started. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.